We're talking Pinot Noir, and we are on day 13. Welcome back to our 2024 wine advent calendar. We're talking Pinot Noir, and we are on day 13. I hope you've been enjoying these videos so far. It took a lot to actually to do all of these and be prepared to post these daily. So, hopefully my efforts are paying off. But welcome here. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Where you been? So we're talking Pinot Noir today. I think a lot of you are familiar with Pinot Noir. It's a medium-bodied, low tannin, medium acid wine, generally filled with red fruit, cherries, raspberries, cranberries. It can be a little tart. You can also get some floral notes, some cola notes, and even some mushroom. If some really good Pinot Noirs I've had have this mushroom essence, which makes you really think about like how could a wine like have all of these different flavor aromas and flavors. The best Pinot Noirs, right? Everybody loves Burgundy. A lot of good Pinot Noirs being made in France. In the U.S., California, Oregon, they make, they're really good Pinot Noirs, different style than what you're used to in Burgundy. And, I think Pinot Noir from New Zealand coming on strong, getting a lot of, good or a lot of good publicity, right? Good reputation for the Pinot Noirs down there. But today I'm just talking about one of my favorite Pinot Noir producers from the Sonoma coast, or from Sonoma, is Sojourn Cellars. Now, I'm going to show a couple of different bottle graphics, right? Because with Sojourn, they do a regular, right? A Sonoma coast Pinot Noir that has fruit from different vineyards, but they also do individual single vineyard Pinots that are just they're just amazing. They do such a great job. Actually visited the tasting room right in the heart of Sonoma years ago. Great experience. If you can get some Pinots from the San Giacomo vineyards, from the Riddle vineyard, from there are a couple of others that I've had in the past. They're just so good. They get a little pricey, right? The Pinots from this producer can get up to about $60. The Sonoma Coast Pinot Noir is the one, though, I'm recommending today. You can get on their mailing list. You could probably see that for in the low 40s, maybe even the high 30s if you get lucky. But just a winery that you should be paying attention to. I would recommend getting on their list and placing an order one of these days. And that's about all I got for you. I appreciate you joining. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Love you guys.